Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix USB device not recognized error in Windows 7, 8, and Windows 10. Type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Universal Serial Bus Controllers. Right-click USB Mass Storage Device. Click Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall. Click Scan for hardware changes. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.